Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can reduce your CapCut storage usage on the mobile version. It is pretty much the same as the one on your PC, but just in different tabs. So this is good if your CapCut storage is like full, I guess, and it's making your phone, I guess, like not have any more storage, if you understand what I mean. But basically it is super simple to do if your CapCut storage is full. Okay, now what you are going to want to do is you are going to delete an important project. So select this icon, select, and then just select the ones that you want to remove. And then press delete, press move. It's still in your trash, so you're just going to press view and then delete stuff from your trash. I'm not going to do that though, because I haven't really cleared out my trash folder. You're going to do that. You're also, if you want to, you can upload stuff to your space, which is here, and it's going to upload it to your CapCut on your PC. I feel like I have more storage on my computer rather than my phone, so that's what I do. I just move it to my PC. Although I do like editing on PC a little bit better because it's just a little bit easier for me. Okay, that's what you can do. And then you can also go to the Me section on the bottom right corner, and then go to the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. So this. And then you are going to scroll down into feedback and about. As you can see, there's a clear cache button. You're going to select that. Select confirm, and it's going to clear it. What clearing the cache does, it just basically removes the download, so you have to like re-download the effects again, the filters again, but don't worry, it won't delete projects, drafts, and like media you've imported here. It just will make you have to like download stuff again. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That would mean so much to me. I hope you're able to clear the storage on your phone. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.